What is up, my YouTube family? It is your girl, Tasha Latrice, and you are watching my channel. Alright, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be installing passion twists in my hair. And this is my first time doing passion twists. Y'all pray for my ends. Pray for my ends, okay? They're struggling right now. My ends need some help. They need some tender loving care. I've really been neglecting them. Right now, it needs some love. I'm going to start by just separating these little twists that I have in my hair so I can like make some sections. My hair has already been washed, deep conditioned, and I blow dried it with cold air just to stretch it a little bit. And now I am gonna go straight in and get ready to do this. So I got me a couple things. I had to get a new rat tail comb because this is the one that I have and it has like a curve on it and I really don't like that. So I went and got me a metal one. The edge control I'm going to be using is the Style Factor Edge Booster. I've never used this before, which is why I got these little ones, because if I don't like it, I really don't want to have like a whole big old jar that I don't want. Because the big one was $8, y'all. $8. And this one, $2.99. So I was like, two of these is like half of that. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in the back. I have a mirror right over here. I've never done this before, so I don't know if this setup is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. I don't think this is gonna work like this though, because I gotta be able to, Y'all, how am I gonna do this? How is I gonna do this? Y'all, I'll be back when I figure out my setup. I don't know how to do this, you guys. I didn't think this through. I didn't know how to do all this. This is freaking annoying. Okay, due to the circumstances, I decided to do a different method, which is just gonna do half and half. So I'm gonna do this side of my head and then the other side of my head after. Like, I'm not really a person who's all into the extremely like straight parts. Like I tried, but honestly, it's not even that deep. And I decided that I don't really care about the parts very much. That's just me. I'm not really a person who likes things to look absolutely perfect. Like, I don't know. That's never really been my strive to make my hair look perfect or like anything like that. I just want it to look cute, so I think the parts don't really matter that much, at least to me. It's still gonna be cute, I promise. It ain't gonna be looking crazy. Y'all, my hair is long as thick. This is gonna take forever. Y'all, I officially hate this process. Like, I've only done half of my head and I am so tired. The top towards the front, I started doing them better. Obviously, I only care about this part right here. The rest of it is not bad though. Like, the parts are there. That's all that matters. I have so much hair. Like, I love having a lot of hair until it's time to do shit like this. And then I'm like, oh my God, this is taking forever. Okay, you guys, I am back and my hair is officially parted, but I'm gonna get into these passion twists. Let me go ahead and show you guys the hair that I got. This is the hair that I got. Borsani, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I got this off of Amazon. It was about $30 or $35 for 7 packs of this hair. It came in this packaging. It also came with a crochet hook and some jewels, obviously. I also went ahead and got some of these jewels to add at the end. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. This is what the hair looks like. This is the hair. I think it's like 1B27 or something like that, but it's ombre hair, obviously, as you can see. Got some brown at the bottom. and it's really soft. I really like how it feels so far, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start twisting my hair and showing you guys the method that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so this is my back row. I know the back doesn't look that great because I really didn't put a lot of effort into making sure the back looks good. No one cares what the back looks like. I'm going to take a bit of this gel and stroke it through my hair just so it kind of blends with the Passion Twist hair better. Okay, so I went ahead and smoothed it out, and I'm going to do 2 strands. Okay, 2 strands just like this. I've never done this before, so bear with me if I'm doing it wrong, but I'm just going to rake my fingers through it and kind of separate the hair a little bit. But I don't want to make it tangled. I don't need it to be like that voluminous, honestly. And I'm going to put the crochet hook through my rubber band, so underneath it. Boop. Just like that. Then I'm going to hook the hair onto the crochet hook. I'm gonna pull one side through all the way. So now there's 2 sides. And okay, I'm gonna take one side of the twist and wrap it around a few times just to cover up the rubber band. I'm gonna wrap it around. Just like that. And then I'm just going to start twisting. Okay, and as you can see, I'm just going to twist it all the way down. I want them to be kind of messy. I don't want them to look perfect. You guys, I'm really not into that perfect look. I want it to look more natural than anything. And there's the first one. I think I twisted this one the wrong way. I'm gonna do the rest of them in the opposite direction. But yeah, that's the first twist. Okay, second one. There we go. Pull one side through and pull this side through. This is not working out. Y'all, it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. This don't make no damn sense. I started this part. I literally started recording this video. Well, I started twisting my hair at 9 in 5 hours. And this is all I've had done because of the length of this hair. Like, who told me to do 22 inches? I'm exhausted, but I am like determined to finish this before I go to sleep because I don't want to wake up and have to do this in the morning. I don't. So I'd rather stay up all night because I stay up all night anyway. I'd rather stay up for the next like probably 2 more hours doing this. I just want this over with. This hair is like, it's really soft and it's really pretty and nice, but it tangles up a lot. That's one thing I have noticed, it does tangle. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. It's the next night, actually. It's like 12 o'clock, 1 in the morning right now. And I'm just finishing up my hair because I was at work today. I had to go to work with my hair looking crazy because I didn't finish. But I wanted to show you guys these last 2 and how I did it. just in case I wasn't clear before on the technique. I also want to talk about this hair a little bit. First of all, this hair is very tangly, and I read the reviews before getting this hair, and a lot of people said it didn't tangle, but it's been tangling like the entire time for me, and that's one of my biggest pet peeves right now, is it makes it difficult for me to do this. And I feel like it's also what took so long, because I've literally been doing my hair since yesterday, but I feel like this hair made it even longer because it gets tangled up. I had to take them out, redo some, like, it was just a mess. Like, some of these really didn't work out. I had to cut one of them out, and yeah, it just made it a problem. So the hair is really soft, it's very lightweight. I like it, but I really don't like the tangling. This is 22-inch hair, if I didn't mention it. It's 1B30 is the color. I'll link the packs of hair that I got from Amazon in the description. Put this through. Put the hair on, close it, pull it through. Pull one side all the way through. Y'all see this? This is what I had to deal with this hair. Now that's a mess. I can't wait for this to be over. And that's it. That's the method. Alright guys, so this is my hair all the way done, finished product with the jewels in it. This is what it looks like. I used 6 packs and maybe like 2 out of the 7th pack, but this is the hair. This is the length. This is how long it is. And that's it. So to finish this style off, I went ahead and used this Shea Moisture Fizz Free Curl Mousse, and I also used some jojoba oil on the ends just to get rid of some of the frizz. And yeah, that's how I would do. Wrap it up with my satin do-rag and then a bonnet on top. I don't really wrap up the ends, I just wrap up the roots just to make sure they're clean. And that's how I wrap up my passion twist. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this was a helpful video and that you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back and watching this video. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.